Hi, everyone. My name is Bruce Swartz. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you all enjoyed the holidays. For some, it's not done, and for some, it is. But either way, the research never ends. It's not going to ever end, and we're going to see more and more of it in January. I hope you all enjoyed being introduced to Crow 777 for those who did not know him. You know, connecting with channels, and like Crow said, it's sticking together. Accepting our differences, appreciating what we can. What I think now, appreciating what we can out of each and every person. You don't have to entirely change your belief or adapt your entire life to be able to get along with someone or interact with someone. If the other person accepts and appreciates your differences, well, so be it. And that's what kind of a guy Crow is, and I appreciated connecting with him. Thanks a lot, Crow. And Jason Lindgren, thanks a lot for doing the audio yesterday, bro, and sending me the audio. So we're looking at close-up surface of the moon, of course, and we're going to get in really close. I'm inspired again. I want to go back to the moon landing, the supposed Apollo 11 moon landing area. Got some clear shots. We're going to look at it in slow motion detail. Look at the beautiful colors on the surface and everything you can see. I like colors, guys, okay? It doesn't change what we're looking at. The bits and pieces that some of you do not appreciate of my opinions, don't listen to me. Put the volume down, but just appreciate what I'm showing. Thanks a lot, everyone, for the support. Oh, and one more thing before I forget. To all, Crow 777's community, when you come, and if you do come here, thanks, first of all, and remain open-minded. And what I'm capturing and my opinion are both two different things. And those who do not appreciate my opinions, look over what I'm saying or reach out to me and express yourself to me. I'm an open-minded person. And just want you all to know that that's why Crow 777 and I can relate to one another, because we're open-minded. It doesn't mean when channels have interviews that they start working together. Understand? We don't have to integrate, a big integration of working together. We already are. We all are working together. Every space channel is working together, because what we're finding up on the surface of the moon, we're allowed to each our own opinions, but it doesn't change the matter that there is something there. And like I've always said, human or alien, it's still something. This is Mare Crisium along the Terminator line, the line of day and night, elevating and magnifying the surface for us. All right, guys, let's go to the moon landing, the supposed Apollo area. Check it out. That's where they declared they landed. Look right now and look at all the surface elevation. Look at the different elevated surfaces and terrains. You get an idea, you size up the craters that are around it. Little West Crater can be seen here. It's a dot, but it can still be seen. And where they landed, you see that they're in a hole, a literal hole, right? Well, from where we are here, in the darkness of shade, hard to see the surface, but many connections, structurings, things crossing paths, many symmetrical features. Without exaggerating, we could see that on the surface. It always remains that it could be natural structuring, that we're seeing natural formations of the surface. I'm not going to rule that out. I'm just going to show you that the surface is very different than what we were told it was or shown it was. When you get yourself a telescope and you go see for yourself, it's pretty intriguing how different it can be. So we're looking at it really slow. And why is because this part of the footage was really clear. So let's see it again here in slow motion. Enjoy the surface, and I'll get some music up. Well, we're looking at a cloudy surface, misty, hazy, whatever you want to call it. Look at these straight objects just beside Tycho crater. I wanted to show this, and we'll see a nice close-up zoom of Tycho crater because it's an area that's so hard to zoom into. It's just ever so white. We can see the detail, the discoloration around Tycho crater that's a lot darker, and even some greens here and there appearing all the time on the surface. Christina Garau Malpertuis. Merci, Christina. Thanks so much for the generous contributions, being a part of this community. Merci beaucoup. Char Gordon. Wow. Starting off 219 like that. Thanks for the support, everyone. Char, thanks for being there, for checking out the research. Mike Allen. Mike, welcome to the community. Thanks so much. For whatever the reason you had problems reaching me, brother. Mike Allen. My email address is bruceswartz75acommercial@gmail.com. Drop me an email, bro. I'd be more than happy to check out your video.